Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Unique Mia, also known as Mia, and in this YouTube video, I will be showing you how to change your YouTube username. It's a very short video, but one of my subscribers asked me to make it, and when I can, I try to make videos that you guys request. So hopefully you find this video to be helpful, and if you have any other videos that you would like me to make for you, please let me know. First, you want to enter into YouTube's website on the internet. Once you do that, click on your profile picture, go to YouTube Studios, continue. Then you're going to look for customization. Once you find customization, which is found on the left hand of your screen, you're going to go to name. You're going to go to name, and it says choose a name that represents you and your content, and you can change every 14 days. So let's say I want to change my name to 51203 Love Positive. You're going to write it here. You can also change your handle name as well. Click publish, and then bam, your YouTube username has been changed.